Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chrysler 300 battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. Safety is paramount, so remember to wear protective eyewear and gloves throughout the process to prevent any accidents. Next, locate your Chrysler 300 battery, which is often found in the trunk. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative battery terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. This order is crucial for safety. Then, carefully unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. Now, prepare for the new battery. Clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, reversing the disconnection order. Tighten all connections firmly. Finally, secure the new battery with its hold-down clamp to prevent movement. Double-check that both positive and negative terminal connections are tight and secure, preventing any loose contacts. Start your vehicle to confirm everything is working correctly. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling facility or auto retailer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.